In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so you can remove an invoice with confidence. First, open Google Chrome and sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're in the correct company file if you manage more than one. This process affects your financial records, so double check you're working in the right place before you continue. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and click Sales, then choose Invoices. This is the hub where all your invoices live. You'll see a list with invoice numbers, customers, dates, amounts, and status. If you have a long history, don't worry. Finding the right invoice is straightforward. Use the search bar at the top of the Invoices screen to look up the invoice by number, customer name, or amount. If you'd rather browse, you can scroll through the list and scan the columns to spot the one you need. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct invoice. Check the customer, the date, and the total, because deleting an invoice removes it from your books and reports. Click the invoice to open it. This gives you a full view of the details, which is a great time to make sure it's truly the one you want to remove. If you're cleaning up a duplicate or a test entry, this is the right place to verify before taking action. At the bottom of the invoice window, find the More button. Depending on your screen size, it might appear as a small link or an option in a toolbar at the bottom. Click More to reveal additional actions for this invoice. From the menu that appears, select Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Read the prompt carefully. Deleting removes the invoice from your records and can impact your financial reports and customer balances. If you're certain, confirm the deletion. That's it. The invoice is removed. A quick tip: if QuickBooks notifies you that this invoice is linked to other transactions, such as a payment or credit, you'll need to resolve those links before deleting. Also, consider whether voiding might be more appropriate in some cases, since voiding keeps a trace of the transaction while zeroing out the amount. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to check with your accountant or bookkeeper. You've now learned how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online, starting from your dashboard all the way to confirming the deletion. Thanks for watching, and keep your records tidy with care and confidence.